Hello, welcome to my planet. I scanned all the patterns and put them in the description. You can download for free. You can connect the patterns by putting numbered letters side by side and then cut patterns from the line of your sides. When you're placing patterns, measure from the fold. The distance should be equal at the end and beginning. Draw patterns to the fabric and then cut it, leaving the same allowance. I used 3 elastics for the waistband. Width of my elastic was 1.5 centimeters, so I left a 2 centimeters gap for each elastic. I copied lines to the other side. I sewed this part of back and this part of front. I serged all ends. I pinned pocket to the front. I pinned pockets each other. I pinned the front and back piece, then sewed all sides. I suggest you sew this place again to make it durable. Measure the buttonhole places for string. I sewed the side of waistband and turn it to the good side. I created a casing for elastics. I did same process for cuff. For the waistband and cuff, first I pinned the middle pieces and pulled a little bit when I was sewing. Attach a safety pin to the elastics and pull them through the casing one by one.